Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage TD Bank mobile banking. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to effectively manage your accounts using the TD Bank mobile app. First, download and install the TD Bank mobile app from the App Store on your device. Once installed, open the app and select the option to log in. You will be prompted to enter your username and password. If you are a new user, you can select the option to enroll and follow the prompts to create a username and password. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can view all of your accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, and loans. From this screen, you can click on each account to view detailed information, such as account balances, transaction history, and statements. To transfer funds, select the transfer option from the menu and choose the accounts you want to transfer from and to. Enter the amount and select the date you want the transfer to occur. You can also set up recurring transfers to make regular payments. To pay bills, select the Bill Pay option and choose the payee from your list of existing payees or add a new payee. Enter the payment amount and due date, and select the account you want to use to make the payment. The TD Bank mobile app also allows you to deposit checks remotely using the mobile deposit feature. To use this feature, select the mobile deposit option and follow the prompts to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Enter the check amount and select the account you want to deposit the check into. To manage your account settings, select the Settings option from the menu. From this screen, you can update your contact information, change your password, and set up account alerts. You can also use this screen to activate or deactivate your debit or credit card. Finally, to ensure the security of your accounts, always log out of the app when you are finished using it and keep your device and app up to date with the latest security patches. By following these steps and using the TD Bank mobile app, you can easily and securely manage your accounts on the go.